Hi, I'm Ben Hope from SuperTrak Conveyance. Today I'm joined by Jan Bolhuis from our application engineering department to talk about our newest and latest platform, SuperTrak HORIZON3, and why it's such a game changer for the packaging industry. Hi Jan, how are you today?
I'm well, thank you.
For those who aren't familiar, what exactly is SuperTrak HORIZON3?
So it's our next smart conveyance system that moves product quickly, precisely, and intelligently around automation equipment.
And why is it so especially well suited for secondary packaging?
There are three critical areas. First is speed. Packaging lines run at hundreds of products per minute, so every fraction of a second matters. Our 50mm shuttle pitch fits more shuttles into the same space for higher throughput. And our 300mm curve diameter keeps motion fast, even in tight layouts. HORIZON3 delivers the velocity and acceleration needed to index, accelerate, and decelerate quickly without product misalignment. The second is synchronization. Fast cycle times require conveyor, robotics, and tooling to move in perfect sync. With complete integration into Siemens TIA portal, plus compatibility with other motion control tools, machine builders can fully coordinate HORIZON3 in the control environment they already know. The third is footprint. Floor space is expensive. Our compact design, small curve diameter, and ability to add or remove shuttles anywhere let you configure for maximum output without expanding your footprint. And if you're not a Siemens user, no problem. We're PLC agnostic, with standard function blocks and AOIs for all major PLC brands.
Beyond hardware, what makes it faster to get it up and running?
That would be our TrackMaster software. It has built-in performance features, error handling, and a no-code simulation tool, which enables engineers to quickly and easily visualize, test, and optimize motion, all with no need for programming.
Can you give examples of where it really shines?
Yeah, I have three applications in mind. The first would be void elimination. For example, if a reject part shows up in carton filling, HORIZON3 can instantly reroute the shuttle for a replacement part, minimizing stoppages and waste. So the second would be repitching. So that would be changing shuttle spacing dynamically at full speed to align with the process pitch, all without the need of external tooling. The last application would be fast changeover, switching between product formats quickly, often without the need of tooling changes, to enable running multiple product types on one line.
Where else does SuperTrak HORIZON3 really stand out?
I can think of four examples. The first would be the no-code simulation inside the TrackMaster software. Second would be PLC agnostic, work with any major PLC brand. Third would be complete integration into the Siemens TIA portal. And the last, I think, would be the ability to add or remove the shuttle anywhere on the system.
If you could sum it up, why choose SuperTrak HORIZON3?
I would say because it delivers the speed to move product rapidly, the synchronization for the fastest cycle times, the footprint efficiency to do more and less, all with the unmatched flexibility and integration options.
To learn more, please visit us at www.supertrakconveyance.com.